Hi, I'm Izzy, and today I'm going to prepare a dish called Asian chicken and pineapple rice. This recipe is high in protein and packed with nutrients and fiber. Before I get started, let's go over the ingredients I'll be using today. We will need 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces, 2 cups of frozen stir-fry vegetables, and feel free to customize this recipe by adding different vegetables you like. You'll also need 1 8-ounce can of pineapple chunks and juice undrained, 1.5 cups of water, and 2 cups of instant brown rice. Before you get started, make sure all your countertops and utensils are clean and sanitized. Don't forget to wash your hands. This will prevent the spread of germs and will help keep your food and family safe. Let's start by cutting the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Once you're done, make sure to set aside your knife and cutting board to wash with warm, soapy water to eliminate any harmful germs. In a nonstick pan, heat the oil. Then add in the chicken and stir for about 4 minutes or until the chicken is cooked all the way through. Chicken is high in protein and iron, which can help your body function and gain muscle. Now we can add the stir-fried vegetables and pineapple chunks with juice and mix. Then you can add in the water and bring it to a boil. These vegetables and pineapple are high in vitamin C, which can boost your immune system, and other helpful nutrients, which can work to prevent conditions like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Stir in the rice and cover. Reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer for about 5 minutes. Remove from heat and let stand for 5 minutes until the liquid is absorbed and the rice is tender. Your Asian chicken and pineapple rice is ready to enjoy. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more delicious and nutritious recipes, be sure to click the link below and like and follow our RHN WIC cooking channel.